Hello, I'm Donald Jackson, owner-operator of Pinku Stock Garage based in South Japan. Today we're at Middleland SP, a track I've been at since 2008, August 1st. The first day I got here in Japan, I came to this track. Today we're testing out another part, and we're putting the UniClutch on the track. The guys have seen the videos in the past, me putting it up to install and things like that. Very solid, follow instructions, everything goes smooth, no sounds. So today we came here, we did a drift test, and we did a grip test. I do drifting and grip, but I enjoy both equally. So for the guys who grip, you know it works on the grip, it holds the power as you'll see. Engine is bone stock VQ35, fully interior car, AC, all that stuff like that, so the power bogs a little bit, and also the tires are a little bit grippy for the power. Had to really kind of work to make it happen, but again, as I arrived here, I arrived here about almost 700 kilometers because I didn't get to come here the day after it broke 500 kilometers. You'll see a bunch of arguments in the industry about what works and what doesn't work as far as braking. Again, the guys that race, I've done it before too. You take it out of the box, scrub up a little bit, do a couple burnouts. We're not saying do this, but this is what we got to do. The race. Racing is different. You literally, after the race, you kind of take it out or do whatever. All right, so this is, aim more towards those who do track race and those guys who do split track and street, and those guys who just want a street car. Biggest thing you see is like the comfortability with the clutch. Anybody that gets in this car is going to say, man, this clutch is so light for being a twin plate. They can't believe it. It's a twin plate ceramic clutch. He pushed the pedal. He's like, man, there's no way this is a twin plate. You hit no sounds, no nothing, man. So again, I've dealt with a lot of clutch companies out there. For me, the reason why I'm pushing this is because, again, I am linked now with UniClutch as a dealer in Japan, one of a few, and I'm up here in the north area in Misawa. So if you guys looking to get UniClutch, definitely get with me down at pinkustar.com to advise for your setup. Also, that goes to custom setups. Let's say you got an LS and a Z33, you got an LS and an RX-8. You want to use an RX-8 transmission. I don't recommend that, but you use the CD009 or R154. We can actually space it up and down depending on what your application is. So you can actually get really crazy with it and run whatever you want to run out there. There's 6,000 vehicles currently supported and more coming up. I'm going to give those guys some feedback on some setups that I run, so you guys will benefit for some things. So let's say you want to put a 1UZ into a S13 with a R154 transmission. They don't really have that yet, but as far as I know, but if they don't have it, I'll get that data from one of my swaps, give it to them, bam, you got an R154, 1JZ setup, spacing and risers and everything set up accordingly to your setup and everything. So I will be myself giving back to UniClutch by the things I'll be doing here on the track, the builds I do. The guys who know me for a while know I love swaps, man. I got a few brewing right now that you probably know about, but they'll come out when they come out. I already knew the clutch worked. I mean, I see Booty and Isaac over in Philippines using it. Their car never had a lack of grip friction. It made a lot of power, so I've seen it work. I already knew it worked before I did my first drift out here. I just wanted to do it myself, put my name on it, put my spin on it. For those who haven't seen the previous videos, please go back and check them out, but I will explain and elaborate again here. UniClutch, again, is a very modular, fixed unit. It comes all in one, all put together. You do not assemble anything, you do not align anything. In the box, already checked, spec'd. I've already verified it myself. Put your center spigot in there, and you go. And you install it on the engine, and you're good to go, man. And there you go, guys. So again, very solid the application. One of the coming from a factory that has over 70 years of manufacturing experience, there's no shortcuts in quality, there's no shortcuts in customer support. And for the English speaking crowd, you can speak to somebody that speaks English. There's nothing against the products here in Japan, but again, I'm an American living in Japan. I like things from all over, so I bring a lot of products from outside of Japan into Japan, and I'm very happy to bring UniClutch to my area. So any clients out there that are looking to get a new clutch, definitely stop by, sit in the car, push the clutch pedal. I will be having an event coming up soon for the guys who are interested. I'll have, I'm putting them together now. I'll have 3 UniClutch cars, not this car because I'll be the one that crashed that one, and I'll have about 2 UniClutch cars. I'll let you guys come out there. You literally roll up, and this is going to be a low entry fee. You roll up, if you want to do some gymkhana, if you want to do a little bit of drifting, if your skills up there, you can go and let it rip. So if you guys want to experience the UniClutch setup, definitely stick around, follow at Pinku Style 2 on Instagram, follow at Pinku Style on Facebook, and stand by for the events. So again, thank you guys very much for your time. This is going to be Donnie signing up from Motor NSP. See you guys later. Peace.